Asuntosköytti ja Vallisilta.
It's amazing today, the 21st of June 2022. It's Vallikallionkuja Vallikallionkuja one steg is A here. There's no building 3. It's here in Leppävaara, ja Espoo. Helsinki has Espoo region, Uusimaa in Finland, with Kone M fixtures. Capacity is 4 persons, 305 grams. And I really like this chocolate color.
Same.
Of the doors. That's even when it was built. This one was built in 1985. Oh, in Swedish I finished there. It turned 35 years old in 2020. And the serial number is 6363 and it deserves 2 rides. I like this arrangement of the buttons here also.
Okay.
And we inspected this year in 2022. Amazing. I'll check the column. We shall wait here.
No, I think one of this now.
Huh? I'd like to take 2.
That's